Hey, if you want to use Reimagine on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is just open your Google Photos. Now pick up your photo that you want to edit, click on the edit at the bottom, just like this. And now you have to click on this button and you will get this information that you have to download the Magic Edition. So we have to click accept, make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and after a few moments you have to click on this button one more time and you will get notification that you have to back up this photo to start editing. Now when you do this, you have to circle, brush or tap to select. So if I want to replace that floor, I'll have to just click on it. I can also refine selection by clicking here, so I can manually brush. And now after a few moments, I have to click done. It will actually take a few moments, but we can click done. Now click to reimagine. And in that pool, you have to input any phrase that you want. So for example, we can get that word grass. We have to click on this arrow and now it will actually generate around 3 or 4 photos. Just wait a little bit. We have to pinch to zoom in on generated results. If you want to take a look closely on some specific details, just be patient, and as you can see here we can find some results. Of course, if you put here a very detailed description, then it will look much better. I just input here one word, which is actually not that much information for AI. And by clicking here, you can see how it looks previously. And if you want to pick any of this photo, just go for it, click on the marker, and you will actually have to click to save, copy, and now you can find this one in your photos. Take a look. It's just over here, the original photo and the AI image created.